Good morning. It rained overnight, though it seems to have stopped now. And of course, I'm under this wooden shelter, so I have a dry tent to pack away, and I have a warm showers house tonight. Hooray! 75 kilometres away, downhill and a bit flat, so should be accomplishable in the limited daylight hours I have available. The sun's up in about 45 minutes, so hopefully I'll be on my way just around sunrise. German wild camping is off to a very nice start, if not so much the weather. I've only been going a couple of kilometres and I'm already pretty cold and damp. That was a really cosy camp comparatively to what I'm experiencing now. %? What? What? It was towards the end of my trip last year that I snapped a belt on a particularly steep Corsican road, so it would be very unfortunate to do the same again. Yay! Back on the German cycling network. That's nice. We've got a upturned railway track as a barrier from the active railway tracks. The sun's coming out and it's feeling really easy, which means this must be a tailwind. So nice, ensuring the bikes and pedestrians can still get through. From a not promising start, look at that blue sky. This has turned into a lovely day. Not too much wind, pretty flat. I'm making good time. Look at this. I've only had it 10 years. I do have my heavy duty U-lock, but this was really useful when I was just running inside a supermarket, and I could, with the other heavy lock, I could lock all the panniers and everything with this one. Am I going to replace it? I guess I've got a couple of weeks and I can see how I go. How annoying. The metal has completely snapped.
Oh, it looks awesome.